Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can turn our Android phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Android phone. So the first thing we're going to do if we want to turn our Android phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot, we can click on Settings app on our Android phone. Then just select the connection menu, and it's right here. Just tap on it. Then after that you can click on mobile hotspot and tethering. Then if you want to turn your Android phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot, you can simply click on this toggle button to activate the mobile hotspot. And actually, there is another way to activate the mobile hotspot. You can go to your notification panel. Then you can simply click on this button to activate the mobile hotspot. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn our Android phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.